I think more efficient is a big word with Spare. They probably should add that into their logo.
Gulf Coast Transit District is a transit agency giving people rides. The less fortunate, people not fortunate enough to have vehicles, the elderly, kids that are disabled, people that's going to dialysis. We pick them up in front of their homes and drop them to the front door of their destinations.
We cover almost 2,200 square miles, so a lot of land to cover. Right now we're right about 95 employees. In 2018 we had about 36 employees, so it kind of shows you how much we've grown.
We have a lot of people depending on us to get those rides to where they need to be, and at times it could be very trying.
The biggest challenge is the asset management of finding a good software, how you're going to keep track of everything. In the past, it's been very challenging using spreadsheets and different things to get a count on what we're doing and how we're doing it.
It was hard to track. All of our pre and post trips, our ridership, we had to log into 2 and 3 pieces of software, our drivers did, and it made it difficult sometimes.
You had to be almost a mastermind to figure out some schedules sometimes of putting them into spreadsheets and moving around.
Now, Spare does all that. EAM is just within Spare, and it's just one machine operating together, and it's so easy for us. It improved the time that it took our drivers to log in. Now it's just one login, do their pre-trips, start driving. It's an 80% improvement.
I love the fact that the EAM, it doesn't even let them start the bus until they've done the pre and post trips. It's not a step that can be skipped. It's streamlined, and I appreciate that because it means if the AC is not blowing cold or if there is a low tire, you know that you've checked that. You can't just get in the vehicle and go. And I think that'll be a lot better customer service-wise.
It's taken a load off of our schedulers. Rides are being scheduled a lot easier now. It's right at the tip of their fingers now.
Part of EAM that we're excited about is because it will be all one platform. It's not one spreadsheet here and one app here. It's all interfaced together.
Before EAM, when we had a defect on a vehicle, that vehicle would get shut down for the day. With EAM, we don't have to shut vehicles down. As soon as that defect gets posted, our mechanics know about it immediately.
One feature I use on the system daily would be the issues with the vehicles. If there's a flat tire or a headlight out, I use that daily to ensure that we can fix that unit properly and get it on the road safely.
EAM, it's enabled us to do things that we weren't able to do before, and it should only get better from here.